Welcome back, everybody. To another
How y'all doing?
Sorry. Well, we won't be able to know until after this video is posted, but hopefully y'all doing well. Welcome to episode 5 of Ratchet Deadlocked. When we last left off, we were trying to get inside the arena, and they were wondering why I was going behind it. He's doing that.
That was actually the first attempt.
No, but we're still. Anyway, all right. Let's get back to what we were doing.
All right. I almost looked at the wrong screen again.
Yep.
Did we actually put that?
Oh no! We did we?
It looks like we did.
Oh yeah, you did. You did. I didn't.
Yeah.
I was going to these here. You know, I had a random thought just now. And I was, for some reason, thinking about pasta.
Why would you think about pasta?
Well, because... Okay, I just ran out.
I want to look straight up. Well, so much for that.
Got it. Yes. Where was I? Oh, yeah. Oh,
wait, that was it?
Yeah, we was at the end of the challenge, apparently.
Oh, good.
Anyway, there's a reason why I was thinking about pasta. Because I will never think about Alfredo sauce the same way again.
Oh, this
Okay. Hey, don't make fun of me, Dennis.
Should we buy the shop?
Let's wait.
Yeah, let's wait.
Yeah, we might adjust the brightness. Okay, Jordan, I'm about dead already. And I'm dead.
Oh, there.
Yeah, there's the entrance, the exit. Oh yeah, we get like a doom buggy in this level. Mother clucker. Clucker, I said clucker. I got it. Ooh, salsa. But anyway, yeah, I was about to get to it because after I said salsa.
There we go.
Anyway, when we was in college down here, I guess I could say it, Mississippi State, we had an anime club. And the room that we had the meetings in, the rows were what do you call them? Stack? I wouldn't say stack. It was kind of like theater setting. It was there was a step up, so the back row was higher than the row behind it, and then, yeah.
Well, the front row, this next row was higher than
the next row is higher up than the one in front of it. Yeah. Anyway,
I'm almost
dead. You're just about dead. And I jumped for no reason. I think it might be our only L1 button on this. And that's why I'm jumping.
It's the L1 as well.
Anyway, in the anime club, the very back row happened to be filled with nothing but black guys. And they sat up there every meeting. They'd sit back there in the back. Because honestly, it was the best view. Anyway, they called themselves the Dark Council. As a joke. And, well, eventually I started sitting up there. You had to hit me up. So I started sitting up there. And because of this, I got drafted into the Dark Council.
And through association,
well, you got drafted in because of blood.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
But anyway, what happens next is, apparently everybody had nicknames. I don't know why they would give each other nicknames, but they did. And I got a nickname. And if y'all remember how I started this conversation, y'all can probably guess what my nickname was. They called me Alfredo. Because I was the only white guy in the Dark Council. So that's why I will always take back to that moment whenever I see a can that says Alfredo. Jordan, I'm about dead over here.
How do you think I feel?
Oh, we're about to cause some havoc, though. Yeah, whoa. I'm going to kill you first.
Whee! Oh, that's a... Alright, so part 2 of this. Oh, wait, you didn't finish your...
Oh, we tied!
Wait, this bull crap. This should at least make it like a half and half thing.
Purple?
Or purple, that would work too.
So
now we gotta get to you.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, this is where we fight him.
Oh, it is, yeah. Let's see, okay, that goes, switch seat. I want to switch the seats. Okay, I turn with the right, okay.
Okay,
what was I saying?
He's talking about, you just, what were we talking about? I know we just finished the story of it.
You could have stayed in there and gave me cover fire.
I'm down. Well, what I was going to do was, I was going to, like, use the swim thing for you.
Yeah. What were we talking about?
I honestly don't remember. You finished off with that earlier thing, I know that.
Yes, I'll never look afraid of sauce. I got hit immediately.
By the way, Madden, oh, damn, those mofos. Oh, my God.
Finally. Okay, let's get back in the Puma. Get in the Puma. Get in the Puma.
I'm in the Puma.
Okay. You didn't say anything. You just...
We missed the Puma, by the way.
I don't care.
We're going to go.
Now,
You suck.
better driver than Gavin.
Yeah, that's true.
I'm talking about Gavin Fry.
Oh, speaking of which, I actually saw somebody with the, everybody like,
You saw at work today?
yeah, somebody walked in the store I worked at, wearing the everybody likes Drake.
Oh, that was close. You should have went, what? What?
Hey, what? I thought it was, hey, what? Whoa! Scorpion right in the face.
I thought I could.
And I got the camera right there above it, too.
Bye. 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 I'm outie.
I was like, wait, what was the saying?
Audi 5000. It's Audi 5000. Whoa! Yeah, I suck at driving up.
Yes, you do. Alright, now let's. I'm gonna get my trust you. Oh, we got what?
I thought I had the shotgun, so I was tapping it.
Oh, what I've been using?
I need to find the thing to.
Let's see. Oh,
the thing to heal. Oh, my sinus is. Oh, I'm sorry. That's what I thought of when you said that. Alright, I got that guy. Oh, I thought I was done.
I knew it wasn't finished.
I thought it was, and I suddenly let go of it. There we go. Okay, fine, I got that.
Okay, I'm there.
Whoa!
You're about to do it again.
Why did suddenly just get out?
You got out? I made it out! I made it out!
Now we just need to find another one. Wow, okay. I forgot phrases like that existed.
What was it?
I didn't say, Jordan, get this way, quick.
What?
There's a vehicle right here.
Oh. Wait for me!
Boosh.
It looks like you're killing me. But today, still need to focus more on shortcut. Whee!
Ah, I Ole Miss sucks. Ha 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 ha.
Oh,
I can say that here.
yeah.
Why am I not getting healed?
Because we're getting damaged.
You're supposed to heal on any vehicle spot, I thought.
Yeah, but you actually have to wait for it to actually start taking effect.
Roar, roar.
Alright, protection.
I got it, I got it, I got it. I don't got it, I don't got it, I don't got it. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Oh crap, there's behind you too, behind you.
We did it though. Quick, get in!
You're leaving me!
I know. Don't get in, don't get in.
Okay, I didn't get in. Where's the nearest vehicle? Where's the nearest vehicle?
I don't know.
Whoop! Oh, I'm dead.
I'm just gonna try to head to the point. Alright.
Capture the point, capture the point.
Oh, no, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to. Oh, wait, there's one, I see it.
In the distance.
Of course, they just go behind me.
I got you, I got you, I got you. I want to shoot his butt. I got his butt.
Alright, I'm gonna go.
Okay, yeah, you just go, you just go. Wow, you suck at driving. Okay, I can't. You can't just. You know what? I'm just gonna say, die already. Okay, there you go. Okay, come on, respawn, respawn, respawn. I meant the car. There we go. There we go.
Alright, now I gotta respond. Okay, we're good. We're good.
I'm not gonna let you.
I played that.
Yeah.
Actually, I did.
All right. Let's. Oh wait. Oh, you're in the car.
Yeah.
Okay. It spawned you in the car.
No, I got in the car right before you drove off.
Oh, okay. Yay, we got here. Oh crap.
Drive! There we go. Now, next mission.
Shalom.
I knew you. I knew you were going to win that.
I put the team on my back. You want to hack while I take care of the enemies? Or do you want me to hack while you take care of the enemies?
How about we do half and half? We don't have this.
Oh.
How many are there? Well, I'll start. Oh, crap.
Yeah, see, that's...
I'm dead.
Strafe! 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 Okay, where are they? Okay.
Alright. Now we got this scorpion out of the way.
It'll turn green, it'll turn green.
Oh, it was just...
Stop, too.
Yeah. Okay. There's number 2.
It's a giant...
Butthole.
Great. You know what that made me think of?
Come on!
No, I don't want to go to a butt sniffing adventure! That's not what it made me think of.
Oh, it's not...
No.
Something like it was another example, I couldn't remember.
No, this is
you know,
not... Oh, you just screwed me over. Stay alive, stay alive. The scorpion!
I have been through. Actually, I think I'm... How many have I done already?
Just go ahead and finish up.
Okay. Next word.
Oh, yeah. I thought, I am the great mighty two. Wow, off key.
Yeah, I know. Alright, I thought what helps for me is that as soon as I get like, oh crap, there's a scorpion.
I know, I got him.
I thought what helps for me if I start rolling in circles, so that you can keep firing on other enemies, and it actually keeps darking this stuff. Okay. Really, these guys are idiots.
Oh, I thought he was
How am I dodging? How am I dodging the fire without even... Alright, last one. Last one. Oh, that's enough. Thank you, David. Let me see.
How'd you get help?
I think when you crack open the gate, we give us some new food. Oh, we have to revive it now.
Not yet.
It looks like it because I just got shot. Oh, sorry.
What if you didn't take the magma cannon?
Oh, I'm sorry. I'll do the hacking again. I won't take the magnet. Alright. Well, let's see how we can do it.
Yeah. Hopefully we get through it this time.
Yeah, I'm sure. Area model. Yes.
Die, you little districts. Listricts?
Come on. Let's see. Elite.
You want some Lombax's butt?
Mama's tail. To get some good out of tail.
Yeah, but I didn't want to word it.
Why?
Do the ammo crates keep respawning? Yeah, they do. Yeah, they do.
I have to get myself a food there for a minute.
Yay.
Okay, there's another one up and running. Oh, hold on, dude.
What'd you do?
It won't always let me keep going off the only like this.
Yeah.
When I'm spinning, ooh, it's kind of tricky when it goes off the road. And it makes me get off of it.
Yeah, that's because that's always a bad thing. What's also kind of bad lately?
Oh!
Yeah, we just got announce it. What's been kind of bad lately? I've been so focused on like talking and playing at the same time that I've not realized what I've actually said.
Yeah, I've always done that too.
So
you want to get this covered before it kicks my butt?
There we go. Anybody up for anybody up for Scorpion on the Stick? Oh yes, okay, with every round, okay, it's here. Okay, get away from it. Stop locking on to me.
You know, I bet against Ratchet at Nintendo 1, and all I have to say is, I'm rich!
Oh,
Yeah, he jumps out. Whoop-de-doo.
Alright. I'll smack it. I'll be right behind and smack it. And
Yeah,
I'll
smack
go back away.
Smack his butt.
That's what I was doing.
I'm dead. Trying to stay alive. Stay alive. Alright, I'm back.
Son of a
Bitch, get eater. Ah, crap. That made me think of someone that said that.
Oh, no.
Thank you for grabbing ammo just there.
Yeah, I was
Come on! Dingleberry.
Dingleberry.
Yeah, I don't even know why I said that. Alright, okay, once we beat this boss...
It'll be the end of the episode?
Yeah, it'll be the end of the episode. There was something I said that made me think of something.
This video. Yes, we
Oh,
did.
we did beat it. Well, I'm gonna have to say that for another time.
Yeah. Oh, what? Did we hit?
Cable launcher.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's what allows you to do the grind booty, right?
Yeah. You probably got more.
Oh my god! Oh yeah, because you was hacking the whole time.
Yeah. That's teamwork makes the dream work.
Yep. Okay.
You can return to any challenge you have already completed.
Well, that's it for this episode of Ratchet Deadlocked. What?
We're already at 71,000 volts again.
Yeah.
Alright, well, that's it for this episode.
Yeah, we'll see y'all next time on Twinfusion Gaming. Y'all have a great day, good evening, or good morning, whichever time of day you're watching this. In case if I don't see you tomorrow, good night, good evening,
and good afternoon.
Good morning, good night. No, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Sorry, that's the Truman Show.
For those of you who don't know.
Anyway.
Bye-bye, everybody.
See y'all
Next time.